Uploading to DBGallery is quite simple and has some very interesting features. You start off by choosing a specific folder that you want to upload the images to. In this case, I would choose an empty folder that I had recently created. I'm going to press the upload button, and from here I may drag and drop files directly onto this window here, or I may press the add files button. So I will simply select one image here, or I may have selected multiple images. I may also go to that folder and choose a couple of images and drag and drop them back on that window as I had mentioned. Now, interestingly, when those images are uploaded, it will show you any camera information that the image has, such as the camera model and its size and such. But it will also, if it has GPS information, show you where it is on a map, and using that same GPS information, it will read location information so that you don't have to key the town or the country where it came from. As well, if the automatically recognize objects checkbox was selected, it will use Amazon's recognition to automatically recognize objects in the image, as shown right here. Once all has been uploaded, simply press the close dialog button and you will see those images in the folder. As well, if tags had been previously keyed using other software or DBGallery for that matter, those keywords and such will be picked up by DBGallery during the upload process as well. And that basically is upload for DBGallery. I'll get into a couple of other items in here. So if you wish to create a new folder to upload images to, simply select a parent folder, press the create new folder button. In this case here, I will say 0908-Barcelona. And once that is done, it will automatically go to that folder. Simply press the upload button, choose add files, and I will then go to my Barcelona folder, select an image or two, and add them to that folder. And of course, as previously seen, simply press the close dialog button once it is added, and those images will be shown. In summary, start uploading images to DBGallery by choosing a folder to upload them to, or create a new one using the create folder. Choose the files to upload. You may drag and drop them or press the add files button. Existing data is read to DBGallery's database. Also added to the image is tags from, reading your GPS information if the image has it, and adding street information or city and country. Also, it will use Amazon's image recognition to automatically tag images of common objects it may find in the photo. And in summary, you may upload photos, videos, and PDFs.